Bueno, muchachos, hoy es martes, Tuesday. Okay, we're going to be breaking apart numbers and still using the number lines to subtract. Okay, we have three number lines here, and we're going to be using the work problem on the bottom of the page. All right, super important. Let's read the instructions. Draw jumps on the number line and show how to break apart the numbers to subtract. Okay, now let's look over here on the bottom. We have read the following problems and have the children draw jumps on the number line to solve. Mrs. Hill had 45 paintbrushes. She gave 9 paintbrushes to her students in her classroom. How many paintbrushes does Mrs. Hill have now? We have 45 and 9. Okay, she had 45 and she gave 9 of those away. What are we doing, subtracting or adding? Okay, we're going to be subtracting. We start at 45. Okay, and since we're going to be subtracting, we're going to be jumping. Okay, we're going to be subtracting 9. Are we going to be jumping to the right? Are we going to be adding? Or are we going to be jumping to the left, subtracting? We're going to be subtracting, so we're going to be jumping backwards to the left. Okay, we're going to be jumping 9 times. Okay, and that will take us to 36. So 45 minus 9 equals 36. Let's write it. 45 minus 9 equals 36. Okay, for the second number line, we're going to be using 72 minus 7. Okay, 72 minus 7. Let's make it darker. Okay, so we're going to be starting where at, boys and girls? 72, right? Okay, and we're going to be subtracting 7. So are we going to be jumping to the right? Are we going to be adding? Or are we going to be jumping to the left, subtracting? Let's go ahead and write it. 72 minus 7 equals, and let's do it, okay? Now, let's think about it one more time. Are we adding or subtracting? Correct. We're going to be moving to the left, down, decreasing because we're subtracting. And the two numbers that make up 7 are 4 plus 3. Okay? So 72, let's jump backwards 4 times. Okay? Minus 4. And then 3 more times because we need to do minus 7. That's going to land us in 65. 72 minus 7 equals 65. For this last one, boys and girls, you can go ahead and do it on your own. 53 minus 6. Okay, and don't forget to start on the 53.